Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.
Let me thank the Honorable Attorney General, Minister of Justice. Irrespective of our differences in politics, belonging to different political parties, I'm one of the major critics of his government or their government. But yet, he still said, look, what is good is good. Mr. Chairman, please convey our appreciation on behalf of the government and people of the state, our appreciation to the Honorable Attorney General, Minister of Justice, for panocytically approving the law school to be established in Port Harcourt. Because people ask, you mean you applied June 4th, June 24th, approval has come out, you, a critic of the government, there's something must be fundamentally wrong. I said, no, there's nothing fundamentally wrong. The DG, the chairman, are people who want the development of legal education. And so it is very clear. We are not just asking because of political reasons. We're asking for our own contribution, for our own growth of the legal education. So I want to thank the Honorable Attorney General for this good relationship and say, look, government of River State will one day invite you and personally go before us, thank you on behalf of the government and people of the state. Let me so appreciate and thank the chairman on his own part, even though he represents the Honorable Attorney General today, and thank the DG for the role they have played. I was wondering, I hear that DG comes from Adamawa, and I see because I did my youth service in Gongola, which has today been divided into Adamawa and Taraba State. The love he has given to us, the support he has given to us, I can't believe it. So let me thank you, because the day we left, you told us, when we came here with those CJ and Co, which I will go to that later, he told us that, look, you are going to, in fact, the chairman said, start immediately. Then DG brought his civil servant experience. I said, yes, we will approve, but don't go out yet. And within a week, we got approval. I'm sure most people never believed it, even if it will come. They say, okay, well, maybe they'll give them, they can approve it now, but leave them 1 year or 2 years when I have left office. I want to sincerely thank you for that. And I want to thank the president of the Nigerian Law School. He was there that day, even though he came late to the law school in Bayelsa. Then we returned home and we came here. All of you supported it. I don't know how to appreciate you, but all I will say, God Almighty will continue to bless you, will continue to make sure you excel in all your endeavors. Thank you very much. Let me also thank our brothers in the legal profession. So Osi Jokecha, Okewale, Bello Adoke, Damian Dodo, all of us went that particular day for that flag up. And they contributed so much, I'm sure, talking to the chairman, talking to the DG. And when I came home, I tried to contact some other senior lawyers to say, look, this is my idea. Yes, some of your brothers sick who went with me have supported what I have used. Instantly, they say, look, if you can achieve this, it will be good for legal education in this state. And people like Aderibe, Okala, all of them gave me that support. Lucius Wosu, who is unavoidably absent. All of them said, look, if this is possible, then you know that we have achieved something for the state. So I thank all of you for the role you played. I also talk to my political friends and leaders who were all jubilant, we are all happy that, look, this is the right thing to do. I thank all of you. But for you, it may not have been possible. You know, no one man can do it alone. You need the advice, you need the experiences of other people. And so I thank all our political leaders who have associated themselves to this particular project. God will bless each and every one of you. You know, people don't understand that you can perform better when you are relaxed. When you are relaxed, sit down, cross your leg, have a bottle of drink. Those of you who drink diabetic drink, have it. Those of you who drink the other one, have it. Then, if there are other extra activities that will come, you do very well. Extra activities I'm talking about, like swimming, playing tennis. You see how they've narrowed their mind. And those of you who are planning that, you won't have chance here. You know? So that is what it's supposed to be. A lecturer cannot come to class to teach when he's so angry. So angry. I was a victim of that when I was in secondary school. I had a lecturer, my English lecturer, and the wife was my vice principal. The husband was my English lecturer. I didn't know that they had a quarrel before they came to school that day. And what happened? The vice principal sent for me, and the same time, coincidentally, my English teacher also sent me a message at the same time. So I went for the one of my teacher, who was my English teacher. And then the vice principal came and said, "Look, my friend, I sent you an errand, and you didn't go." I said, my English teacher, I didn't say the husband. My English teacher sent me on an errand. He said, English teacher sent you, okay, come. Go to the field. You know what we used to call VCOT? Some of our children don't know what's called VCOT. Say, okay, cut from here this way. Cut from here this way until I tell you to stop. So a lecturer shouldn't come to class to teach the students when it's not well composed, when it's not well relaxed. So we are providing, even if anybody makes you angry, you go out and chill, relax, play along tennis, and the next day, you will see that students will be happy. And when you are teaching the students, you are teaching under relaxed atmosphere. That is the way it's supposed to be. Now, our colleagues, my brothers here, our leaders have tried to say, look, they are in support of what the state government. I do believe that the request we made, which you can see all Rivers people are in support of doing this campus after one of our illustrious sons in the legal profession, Dr. Nabo Graham Douglas. I'm not scared, I'm not worried. If they can allow us here to have a campus, is it just one name? They will do it, I know. In fact, I was sitting with the chairman there and the DG, looking at their faces. They are saying, why are they worrying themselves? It's approved. So, you know, those of us who are on this side, when we look at faces, we know where we're heading to. So I know that they will give us. So don't worry yourself. We'll give the best we can to the state. Now, like I said, I will not, and like I said before, the chairman, in one of the additional conditions we told you people, we said, look, so that you won't feel we are going to give you a monthly subvention and we are going to pay it 4 years upfront. I won't be here. We are going to pay it 4 years upfront for you to maintain the school. But I told the DG, the chairman, let it not be the same thing. When I buy gunboats for them to protect the river's water, they take the gunboats to go to other states and abandon my own here, my territorial waters. You give police, they call them from Abuja, they call them from where? We need 50 hillocks, bring men, please. This subvention we are giving you for 4 years, and which we will pay once, is for you to maintain and run this Port Harcourt campus of Nigerian Law School. It's not for you to use it to say, oh, there's a problem in Augustine Namani. No. No. It's not to use it for Abuja Buhari campus. No. Let FCT minister support you. Let Governor of Enugu support you. It's not for Kano campus. So. It is for Port Harcourt campus. That is the truth. And let me assure you, in fact, I nearly signed my pound-sec lands now. I've signed the CFO. We are supposed to hand over the CFO of the two properties, this place and the opposite presidential. To you today, before you leave, you must get the CFO. And the CFO is in the name of the Council of Legal Education. Let me thank the Special Advisor on Special Projects. I've told everybody who is in my cabinet, it's not on sentiment, it's on performance. If you can't meet up with my speed, if you can't meet up with my way, then all you will do is to voluntarily put in your resignation. This young man has done very, very well. I don't know who was with me here yesterday. It was bad that I was afraid what will happen here today. But he committedly, being passionate about the job given. So when people will say, oh, he likes this person, my likeness for you is on your commitment and your ability to get results. I don't know anything about failure. What I know is about achievement. So the young man has done very well. So most people are complaining, oh, that they are giving him job a lot. You do well. More jobs will be given to you. So no sentiment about it. So the Special Advisor on Special Projects, let me commend you for a job well done. And that is a challenge to all others. Nobody is a special one to me. All of you are special. But when you do, or I see commitment, I see the passion you have, then you become a special one. All of you are special, but some people are bringing up themselves to be special one. So the Special Advisor, I want to thank you most sincerely. Continue with that. You never can tell where you end up tomorrow. You never can. Before you clap, I didn't promise anything. You know, before you know now, you go home. Did you hear what the governor said? It's like governor's eye is on Special Advisor. My eye is not on anybody. So that's the way you will do things now. When once you commend somebody, you go home. Oh boy, watch it. You'll be like, say, Governor, don't they eye the boy you? Now there. Then most of you will now be going to his house every day. Don't waste your time. I'm only commending him for the job well done. And let him not enter his head that I said, you have done well, it's likely Mayoga may change and say to me, I have not said so. So I just have to say this, all of you are here. All of you are here. And let me thank the Mbata one, the young man that came out here to sing solo for us. I thank you. You see, look at his condition. But see what he has done? He said, look, that cannot be a factor for me not to move on, for me not to do something that will earn me a living. I've been to Gubolo, they called him. Then when Ojiare, he was invited, I was asked, who is this boy? They said, Wanambata. That's okay, I've never met him. Today again, which means the boy is good. And the State government will support you so that you can make your thing grow, buy good clothes, and then clear some of the. We are not singers, so our voice don't need it. But you that have taken to it, we must make sure you get the best for yourself. So on this note, Rivers State government will support this young man with his team with a sum of 20 million naira to continue to bring out the best of him. It is very, very key. And to tell all of you here, the same thing applies. Whatever you are doing, come out, have commitment, have passion, you will be the best.